Namaste and welcome to Yoga for Fitness. This is Jaya. Today we'll be doing some pranayams which will definitely help you in improving your breathing. Like nowadays COVID going on and people are really stressed out. So to increase your lung capacity and your breathing, so the pranayams will definitely help you out. So let's start. These pranayams have to be practiced empty stomach. So we'll do some simple inhalation and exhalations. You can put your hands on your stomach to see that your belly should be coming out while inhaling and it should be pulled down while exhaling. That is, your belly should be out while inhaling. It should be in while exhaling. Now we can add some thoracic breathing to it. In this, along with the belly, that is, your belly expands while inhaling. So your chest also comes out while inhaling. So you can breathe little more. Let the breath come up till the chest and the shoulders. The shoulders will also come up. So when you inhale, your belly expands, your chest comes out and your shoulders come up. And while exhaling, your belly goes in, your chest also pulls down and your shoulders also pull down. So this is thoracic breathing. So keep inhaling and exhaling in this way. So inhale, your belly out, chest out and your shoulders up, and exhaling, your belly in, chest in and your shoulders pulled down. When you finish, just do normal breathing and take some rest. Normal inhalations and exhalations. Now we are preparing for Bhastrika Pranayam. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Here both inhalations and exhalations should be deep and active. Once you are finished, so you can take some rest. So normal inhalations and exhalations. Preparing for Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, Anulom Vilom. This is the Vishnu Mudra. Keep your middle finger and the index finger folded and place your ring finger towards your left nostril. First exhale deeply from the left nostril and then inhale deeply from the left nostril. And exhale very slowly from the right nostril. Now inhale very deeply from the right nostril and exhale very slowly from the left nostril, and continue this for some time. There should be no sound while inhaling and exhaling. It should be comfortable in Anulom Vilom. When you finish, put your hands down and take some rest. Normal inhalations and exhalations. Last, we are preparing for Bhramari Pranayam, very effective in relieving stress. So close your lobes of the ears with your thumbs and place the index and the middle finger gently on the eyelids, and last two fingers above and below the lips. Inhale deeply and exhale with the humming sound. You can repeat it for some time. When you finish, gently rub your palms together and place it on your eyelids and feel the sensation.